Hi guys, please join with me. I'm going to show you around Ortigas Center and show Boulevard, Pasig City. Okay, let's go. Exactly guys, we're here at Ortigas Avenue. On your right is the Rockwell Business Center. It's just next to Medical City. So, ganda na talaga dito guys, no? As you can see around, ang dami ng mga trees. Wow, so beautiful landscape. Clean and no traffic. It's perfect to drive around, isn't it guys? Okay guys, let's take a left along Meralco Avenue, and if you go straight, that's the way towards EDSA Ortigas or Green Hills, San Juan City. This is Meralco Avenue guys, what can you say? It's so nice. Wow, just look at that guys. On your right guys is the Ortigas Center Business District, and on your left is the Metro Walk where you can eat and dine, and also bar hopping, but I guess bars nowadays is still closed due to pandemic. FYI guys, we have two malls along this road, namely Ayala Malls, the 30th, and Estancia Mall. Wow, dito pa lang sa Meralco Avenue guys, may dalawang mall na tayo. On your left guys, that's the Ayala Malls, the 30th. Wow, I should visit that mall one day. In front of you guys, that's the Estancia Mall. Wow, it's just few steps away from Ayala Malls, the 30th. Estancia Mall has a lot to offer, from dining, entertainment, and shopping, with luxurious and spacious feel. Wow, so cool! We're already here at Boulevard, Pasig City. Yeah. Then after crossing guys, yung Mandaluyong area na yon. Wow, even here in Boulevard, with beautiful landscape, clean and organized. And you know guys, I feel so amazed wherever I go around the metro, because a lot of improvements done before. So dito na kami guys, liliko sa may San Miguel Avenue, at yan yung Lourdes School. You have seen already guys a lot of modern skyscrapers. It's just along San Miguel Avenue. And you can see a lot more around Ortigas Center. Okay guys, welcome to Ortigas Center, Central Business District. FYI guys, Ortigas Center is a central business district located within the joint boundaries of Pasig, Mandaluyong, and Quezon City within the Metro Manila region in the Philippines. And it is Metro Manila's second most important business district after the Makati Central Business District. Ortigas Center is home to many shopping malls such as SM Mega Mall, the 9th largest mall in the world, Robinson's Galleria, the Podium, Shangri-La Plaza Mall, Ayala Malls, the 30th, Estancia Mall, and St. Francis Square. Office and condominium skyscrapers, nightlife bars, hotels, restaurants, and other building complexes. It is also the headquarters of San Miguel Corporation, Jollibee Foods Corporation, BDO, Asian Development Bank, the Philippine Stock Exchange, and a lot more. On your left guys is the back of Robinson's Galleria, and in front of Robinson's is EDSA and the Shrine. Okay guys, we're approaching Ortigas Avenue. So on your left is going to EDSA or Green Hills, San Juan City. On your right is going to Rosario, Pasig City or Rizal area. Guys, this is F. Ortigas Jr. Road, formerly Emerald Avenue. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Keep safe everyone.